like that. See, they have already developed a human space flight program. They have the International Space Station, and they are partnering with their companies like SpaceX and Axiom to do this human space flight. Today, they are doing the human space flight. So we are asking that we would like to fly in an International Space Station. It's an announcement based on our Honorable Prime Minister and President of US when they met. This idea was mooted. So we were taking it forward. And that's what the NASA chief said, that Indian astronauts will be flying to the National Space Station in an American vehicle. So what we are looking at this is that the whole program should be done in such a manner that it benefits us. Basically, we want our astronauts to get trained at US facilities. Not only the astronauts, the astronaut handling, the medical team, the control team, etc. And also they will get exposure for flying to the National Space Station. So it will help us to make our Gaganyaan program better. That's the plan.
So what are the latest update of Aditya?
No, we will talk on that. This other questions related to the astronaut flight is very important. That we have already our astronauts trained. They have been trained in various other facilities, and they are planning to fly in Gaganyaan. So they are there. From that, we will be selecting our astronauts.
How many of them, sir?
No, our plan is to fly only one person to the International Space Station right now.
For
that, we already have 4 astronauts trained. From that, we may select 2 of them to go through a US training, because every training is specific to the mission and the rocket and the flight that they are going. So 2 of them will be trained, and finally one will be selected for the flight. Okay.
And for the space station, as you said, by 2028 you will be launching the space station.
So the idea is like this: by 2028 we must have the first modular space station to be launched using our existing rockets. So the existing rockets have certain payload capability. 4 ton to 5 ton it can launch to GEO, and around 8 to 10 ton it can launch to low Earth orbit. So that is the current capability. But if you really want to really send space station modules, we need to spend almost 25 tons to space. So for that we need a bigger rocket to be developed. So that process always is starting, and by 2035 we'll be able to add additional modules and make it a fully functional man-rated space station where people can go stay for a long time and work. That's the plan.
So West Bengal Chief Minister wants to felicitate Isro team. Will you come?
Yeah, of course we will come. There is no difficulty. But we normally I have not taken any felicitation yet as a person. I do not believe in individually getting felicitated. See, the whole contribution is by the Isro team. All the entire Isro team spread across the country has done this work. So there is no point in felicitating a few individuals. That's
entire team.
Entire team is thousands of people. So will you call 1,000 people?
Yeah, I saw your interview, sir.
So it is. So that's the point. So I can't distinguish one from the other.
As for the moon mission, as you said that you want to send astronaut to moon and bring back.
Of course, they have to be
so
brought back.
You have already started the project.
No. It's a vision that has been given. By 2040, we must land an Indian on moon. So that's the target. So for that target, we have to do many things. The first is we must have the Gaganyaan program accomplished. That is sending a man to Earth orbit and bring back safely. So that's the Gaganyaan program. After that, we must have continued Gaganyaan program to have more people to go. We have to build the space station next by 2038, 2035. We must have that space station, and continuous human space flights there should be there. Then we must also have moon missions of various kinds, robotic mission, landing on moon, coming back. We have done only, Chandrayaan was only going there, but we have not brought back.
Yeah.
So this bringing back also has to be demonstrated. So our next mission will target that part of it, how to bring back from moon back to Earth. So that is again another complex process. So we have to have more capability, more mass, more fuel, etc. required. How to accomplish is another major task. So then we will have the crew capability. So you remember that Americans, when they did the mission to moon, their rocket was very massive, mighty rocket. Today, even America doesn't have such a rocket. So we have to have different plans.
Sir, a section of scientists have alleged that the NCT has given wrong information about Chandrayaan 3.
I don't know who gave.
A section of scientists alleged that the NCT has given us wrong information about Chandrayaan 3 in the school syllabus.
Chandrayaan 3, only Isro is knowing what we have done.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.